Hello, my name is Charlotte, and today I'll be talking about territorial behavior occurring among seagulls. Since seagulls nest in large colonies, they each are a potential predator on the eggs and chicks of their neighbor. Due to this crowded coexistence, they are incredibly territorial and protective of their homes. As a protection mechanism, many gull colonies use mobbing behavior in which they attack and harass possible predators or intruders. Particularly during nesting and mating behaviors, the gull can be very territorial. Many bird mates secure or carve out only a fairly small 4 to 5 meters worth of land by verbalizing their presence with specific calls or demonstrating it with a variety of displays. If other gulls decide to ignore such calls, the birds tend to become violent in their attempts to keep the area. However, since fights are risky, a severe injury to a parent will doom their eggs and chicks. Seagulls have evolved a complex system of social signals that keeps violence to a minimum. Specific calls used by gulls are the long call, as a threat directed at trespassers, a mew, used as a support call from a fellow mate, a kick is used when a colony as a whole is disturbed, a yowl is also used for the two previous functions. Specific postures are also used to communicate with other gulls. The upright posture is when the neck is stretched and the wings are cocked forward slightly to the side, poised to attack. The charged display is when the seagull stretches its wings, making it appear larger. Territoriality starts in spring when the males arrive, followed closely by their mates. They return to the same small patch of rock they held in past years. On return to the presence of land, the seagulls strut about looking for appropriate nesting spots and reinforce territorial boundaries. These boundaries used for courting, mating, nesting, and fledging young must be constantly defended from the neighboring seagulls. When a neighbor approaches another's territory, the calling and postures are displayed, which are intended to drive them away. Over evolutionary time, selective pressure on individuals has favored communication over conflict, resulting in the signaling system that reduces violence in the breeding colony. Thank you for listening and watching mine and Marian's video.